to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Avenue Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Avenue Therapeutics is a specialty pharmaceutical company, and they're really focused on developing and commercializing therapies for the treatment of the central nervous system. So let's take a look at the leadership team. Executive Chairman Dr. Lindsay Roswell. Definitely have a high qualified management team. Was unable to find some of the pictures for the CEO, MD Dr. Alexandra McLean, but I've heard a bunch of different interviews. So really qualified management team, lots of experience in drug discovery, drug development. Now, one of the reasons I got interested in this company, I want to say back recently, they acquired Beargenic Bio, which has a potential therapy, which is pretty exciting. The Beargenic Bio is now a subsidiary of Avenue Therapeutics, and they have this BAER101, which is oral small molecule selective for GABA A alpha 2 or 3 receptor, and it is in license with AstraZeneca, but still exciting. Hopefully sometime in 2023 they'll start the phase 1 trials. Now, you may know the GABA A receptor, is best, since 2019, the FDA has approved another medication, Brexanolol, and there have been a bunch of potential indications that could be used for the BAER101 potential molecule for Avenue Therapeutics. Epilepsy, anxiety, pain, depression. So the preclinical data for the efficacy so far has been looking pretty good. So that's pretty exciting. Now, if it can, in the preclinical trials, it does look like it's selective for the alpha 2 and 3 subunits of the GABA A receptor. And that's pretty exciting because if it's the benzodiazepines, some people know the benzodiazepines, they're really not selective. They're non-selective. And if this GABA A receptor alpha 2 and 3 can target this BAER101, potentially can not have those side effects of those benzodiazepines. And that's pretty exciting. That's generally what, they've been saying as far as the alpha 1, preferring the alpha 1 target. Now, the clinical, I think it showed that in their study, it was over 700 patients, showed good safety and side effects were mild to moderate. So that's pretty exciting. That's one of the medications. They also have an IV tramadol in the works for Avenue Therapeutics, and that's in phase 3 studies. So let's take a look at the the pipeline here. So here's the BAER101. This is what they've acquired recently, and it's got a couple indications, potentially phase 1 trials starting and hopefully enrolling 2023, so coming in the next couple months. And then you have for epilepsy and acute anxiety. Then the IV tramadol's phase 3 studies, hopefully, get some kind of word from the FDA and some data results, in the next coming quarters. So that's pretty exciting stuff. So let's look at, that's the pipeline. Let's look at the stock price. Stock symbol for Avenue Therapeutics, ATXI, ATXI. At the time of the video, it's trading at $1.37. I do think this is one of those companies with potential for big risk, big reward. I do like that it's trading in the low dollars, so you have a chance to pick up a bunch of shares, at a relatively cheap price. Now, these types of companies do get hammered when interest rates are up and inflation is high, but there is a chance to get some shares at a lower price, and potentially, if they get positive data from their phase 3 study with the IV tramadol and some positive data with their BAER101 molecule, that could be a game changer. So I'm going to continue to monitor this company. There's a lot of opportunity here. That's all the time I have for the video. And if you did enjoy the video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe, helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.